The good part is pseudonymization, which is brought by these public key infrastructure. Because all your data is only referred to the public key, you can stay anonymous. When you think about you're interacting with a data-sensitive app, you would be able to set up a new wallet only for this. So your key pair would only be used for this specific application, and by this it wouldn't be possible to match your data with some other sensitive data application you're using, because when you decide to use every time just one wallet only for this service, of course you have to think about how you secure your keys. For this we also have technical tools like a key storage or something like this. And yeah, with this you would be not only able to pseudonymize your data, but also be anonymized by this.